This house is made of containers, but that is not the most interesting part. The most interesting part is how 3 rigid modules form a U-shaped house around a circular pool on a rocky slope above the Colo River. Colo Crossings, created by Benn and Penna Architecture, is located in Lower Portland, Australia. The house was designed as a retreat outside the city, surrounded by forest, mountains, sandstone, and views of the river. The containers also make sense for the construction. On a remote and difficult site, ready-made modules help with transportation, cost, and execution. But the house does not feel improvised. Visually, the openings frame the landscape, the concrete gives weight, the plywood warms the interior, and the steel structure keeps the direct logic of the retreat. The site was difficult, steep, remote, and marked by rock. So the house could not simply be placed on the land. It had to rest on the terrain, deal with the slope, and use the landscape as part of the experience. The solution was to use repurposed containers in a U-shaped plan. On one side are the bedrooms, on the other, the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Between them, a glazed corridor connects everything. At the center, the circular pool organizes the house. This pool is not just leisure. It creates the central void, guides the circulation, and transforms 3 rigid modules into a kind of courtyard house. The structure also responds to the terrain. Slowly, the house rests on the existing sandstone rock with a steel structure anchored into this base. Since the area is subject to landslides, the house uses the rock itself as part of its support. The climate also mattered. Metal containers can be difficult in extremes of heat and cold. Here, the walls and roof received double insulation. Concrete slabs were inserted to increase thermal mass, and the north-facing openings help capture light and heat in a more controlled way. In the end, Colo Crossings is about turning rigidity into shelter. It shows that a retreat house does not need to simply hide in nature. It can rest on the rock, move around a void, frame the river, and turn industrial modules into a very particular way of living.